15 years ago, I hopped on a plane going to a place I knew pretty much nothing about, in a world I knew nothing about. I was just trying to figure out who I was trying to learn everything, and I was trying to figure out why I existed. And what I found was just so ridiculous on so many levels, in a good way. I remember walking down the streets in Tokyo, and I would always put music on, always had earphones in, because sometimes music brings you certain energies that you want to experience or wouldn't otherwise. And I remember just this wave of euphoria washing over me. And it was this feeling that I was after, this longing of pure bliss. And last week I started traveling again and experienced the same feeling, just this wave of euphoria washing over me. And the reason that I'm telling you this is because we do things because of how it will make us feel and how we want to feel. Whether it's avoiding something because we don't want to feel bad, or whether it's doing something because we want to feel that satisfaction or that level of bliss, euphoria, love, value, whatever it is that you're doing or not doing, it's because you want to feel a certain way. So you want to travel to get certain experiences, to grow on a level, so you can feel better about yourself, so you can feel more value. Or you want a partner so you can feel seen and heard and loved and truly valued for who you are. And all of those things are within your reach. It's just really four main pillars for that love. And that's opening up, allowing, receiving, and letting go. It's as simple as that. I didn't say doing them was going to be simple. I said these four pillars are simple. So in the next few videos, I'm going to be saying more about these, this opening up, and about how things can come to you in a certain way, like how love can come to you. And so many times people put restrictions on how love, among other things, can come to you. And it has to come to you in a certain way, otherwise you won't receive it, otherwise you won't recognize it. Your partner has to be a certain height, has to have a certain financial status, has to look a certain way for you to acknowledge them and receive them. When really what you're after is this pure love that's coming from them. And if you're open to that, if you can truly embody that and grasp that, then it's so much easier for it to come to you. And then it comes to allowing. And we'll talk more about that in the next video.